हेलो, माय नेम इज पंकज अग्रवाल। आज हम एक पजल देख रहे हैं। पजल क्या है? हमको 13 फ्रैक्शंस बनाना है यूजिंग द नंबर्स 1 2 3 अप टू 26. Some numbers will be in the numerator, the others in the denominator. We have to make as far as possible as many fractions to be integers as possible. So how will we start? These are some examples, but here neither of them is an integer. Obviously, to make it an integer, what we need to do? Numerator must be a multiple of the denominator. So first we need to think what are the difficulties here. Like if we consider prime numbers, especially whose multiple is not from 1 to 26. Like if I consider 2 is a prime number, but I can write 4 divided by 2, isn't it? But if I consider a prime number more than 13, okay, let's consider the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Now, first of all, when we consider prime numbers from 1 to 13, its multiple is already there in 14 to 26. But if we consider prime numbers from 14 to 26, its multiple is not in 1 to 26. So first we'll need to exclude those cases or see what can be done. Obviously, what are the prime numbers here? 17, 19, 23. There are 3 prime numbers. So if you keep them in the denominator or numerator, you can't get an integer unless you put 1 in the denominator. So only one of them can be managed. So 17 by 19, 23 by 1. This is not an integer. This we have done, this we have done, this we have done, this we have used. So at least one of the numbers will be not an integer. So for the rest, I'll try to make integers. How can I make integers? Like there is 1 is already gone. So if you write 13, you cannot write in the numerator. So you need to write in the denominator. So obviously numerator must be 26. So this 2 gets cancelled. Now because 1 is already gone. So if you put 25, you can only put in the numerator and the denominator can only be 5. Now again, if you put 11 you cannot put in the numerator because 1 is already gone. So you need to put 11 in the denominator and 22 is the only option here. Again, if you put 7 in the numerator, you can put 21 as well as 14. So we need to think about the other case. Now, if you put 15 you can put only in the numerator. So if you put 15 in the numerator, denominator can be 1 already gone, 5 already gone, 3. So you need to put this. Now gone. Now from the remaining 3 is already gone. So if I put 21 in the numerator, I can take only 7. Because 7 is gone and already a 7 multiple is there. So if I write 14 in the numerator, I have to write 2 in the denominator. Now, of all the left out terms, can we think of something which we can do? 10 is a multiple of 5. 20 is also a multiple of 5. So the only possibility is 20 by 10. Gone. Now, obviously 24 will be in the numerator. Denominator will be something. Let's forget about this for the time being. Denominator will be something because there are many options: 12, 6, 8, 4. What about 16? What about 18? For 18 again 6 and 9 is there. Again, what about 12? So if we try, 12 can also be put here. So maybe you can try it 18 by 9. 16, you can put 8. You can put 6, you can put 4. So 24, 16, 18, 12, 6, 8, 9, 4. So we are getting 12 fractions which are integers, one which is not an integer. We cannot go beyond 12 because there are 3 prime numbers greater than 13, 17, 19, 23. So even if you can't keep these 3 prime numbers in the numerator and get all the 3 fractions integers, because you will need 1 3 times. So 12 is the maximum possible. That's all. Thank you.